Hello everyone, this is Team Bees. Today I would like to introduce you to our amazing AI personalized mobile application called Cook Buddy. The Cook Buddy application was created because while many people love cooking, only a few people cook often. Our research showed that time, lack of skill, and unclear instruction are the main things stopping people from cooking more. With AI now helping in many parts of our lives, even in the kitchen, we saw a way to make cooking easier. CookBuddy used AI to give simple, personalized recipe ideas, real-time help, and clear and step-by-step instructions. Features like voice control and easy navigation make the application useful for cooks of all levels, turning cooking into a fun, confident-boosting activity that anyone can enjoy. Let's go and see how the application works. First of all, you will see the application boarding page, which introduces the overview about the application, and then you will see the login page. Or if you are a new member, you can sign up here. After logging in or registration, you will be asked a few questions, which will be analyzed by the AI to make decisions according to your dietary preferences. For example, I am allergic to nuts and I am an omnivore. And then you will see the main page of the application, which contains a search function, the recommendation recipe by the AI according to your dietary preferences, and also a set of recipe category. You can also explore thousands of recipes in the browse function in the search bar on the home screen, or here in the navigation bar. You have a favorite function where you can keep your favorite recipe for future references. And then you can adjust your preferences in the profile. Once you change the information here, the AI model will be retrained again and generate new recipes recommendation on your homepage according to your new information here. One of the most powerful features in the application is the AI-powered chatbot, which will be with you everywhere in the application. You can ask some question and it will give you the answer you want. For example, I have some sticky rice, some mangoes, tomato sauce, and some cheese. Recommend me some recipe that I can uh make with the ingredient I have. And the AI will answer your question with satisfied answer from which you can see you can make mango sticky rice and more. Let's say that I want to make mango sticky rice, and here you go. You will see the simple step-by-step instruction with hands-free voice control accessibility. For example, in a situation where your hands get wet along the way and you don't want to touch your phone, this feature might help you. You will have a timer and some helpful visual along the way until you finish your dish. If you have turned on the colorblind accessibility feature on your system, the application will automatically adjust to fulfill your needs. For example, you have some type of color blindness. Yeah, the application will automatically adjust the entire application for you. Now that you have an AI-powered cooking buddy application with fully accessible functions. Thank you so much.